Hi. Well, here's another nature walk for you. I was walking along and it's after a rain. And what was so interesting is I came upon these two Canada geese who normally would be in a large body of water, but they're having such a good time because they found a big puddle. So here they are. And sometimes, even when you can't find what you're looking for, right in front of you may be exactly what you need. And for these two lovely geese, this seems to make them very happy. So when you don't get what you're looking for, you may find something equally good right in front of you. That's my nature walk talk for today. See you next time.